How to add GIF in KineMaster. Today I'll show you how to add GIF in KineMaster. It's a very easy process, so let's start right in. First, import the video or image. Once you import it, tap on layer and tap on media and just tap on the GIF you just downloaded like this. Once you tap on it, you can get it on your timeline like this. If you haven't downloaded the GIF yet, you can simply download it from the Google. Just tap GIF download and you will get many options right there and download it whichever you prefer. As you can see, your GIF has been added. But if you want to add GIFs in some other video background, just delete it and let me add new background. Okay, let me add this one and go back. Once you add it, tap on layer. Now tap on media and just add your GIF like this. Adjust its duration. Let me keep one in this way. First one this way. Once you tap it, you can adjust its duration and you can adjust its portion like this and drag it wherever you want to keep it. Let me keep one here and let me keep this one right here. Now let us preview the video. As you can see, your GIF is added in your video and image. You can simply repeat the same process for your other videos and images. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out any other idiots. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.